a Prince William County, Virginia man is headed to Turkey tonight to be with his family. Our Daniel Hamburg joining us live at the Turkish Embassy in Northwest D.C. And Daniel, some of his family still missing at this hour, but he's also bringing supplies for others.
Yeah, Chris, he has several bags packed with him full of survival gear for himself and a few others. He says tonight a lot of people are sleeping on the streets with nowhere to go.
Thinking about my sister, about my mom.
Zaid Mastow's sister escaped a collapsed building after Monday's massive earthquake in Turkey.
The moment that happened,
But his mom, she hasn't been found.
How was she feeling? How hard was it for my mom?
His mom was in another room than his 15-year-old sister, who miraculously escaped what's now this pile of rubble.
She told me that only her and two little girls also were taken out of the whole building that was full of people.
More than 3,400 people are dead in Turkey and Syria after an earthquake and aftershocks toppled thousands of buildings.
Because of what happened yesterday, a lot of buildings were damaged, and now they're scared to go back. They are in the street. Literally, they're in the street.
Mastow booked a one-way ticket to Turkey to be with his sister and brothers and try to get answers about his mom.
I want to be with my brothers and sister. I want to support them emotionally.
He collected what he could from friends locally, but can only carry so much to help others right now.
I just took few items, personal items for me, and I have a full bag of, like emergency stuff.
His focus now is on his sister.
I want her to have a better education. She's smart. She's very good in school. She speaks English fluently, even with American accent.
It can take a decade to bring a sibling to the U.S., but Mastow won't give up hope that it will happen very soon.
I'll try my best.
And Mastow's flight leaves Dulles tonight at 10:30 p.m. He says it's about a 9-hour flight to Istanbul, where he will then have to drive about 16 hours to get to his family, who are near the southeastern coast. Just a one-way ticket he bought. He doesn't know how long he's going to be there for now. We're live at the Turkish Embassy. Daniel Hamburg, DC News Now.